Hi, welcome back everyone. Today is the 1st of March 2021 and I did a couple of trade adjustments to my portfolio. So let me go through them. First off, I have rolled down my UAVS call from 15 to 10 on the same month. UAVS is a drone company. So I was initially bullish, but this is a speculative stock. So now what I'm trying to do is to reduce the loss or minimize the loss if there's any. So I basically, from a 15 call, I have rolled down to a 10 call. So let's take a look at the UAVS trade. So this is my UAVS trade. Basically on the 9th of February, I bought 100 share at this price, and at the same time I sell a 15 call, and then subsequently I sell another call at 1.15, but I close out this call at 0.36. We can see from here I close it out at 0.36, and then I turn around and sell a 10 call for 97 cents. So that bring my average price to 8.76. So if the market were to close above 10 on the 19th of March, then I stand to gain $1 plus. But if not, then I have managed to bring my average price to $8.76. So that is about $876 on this trade. Because I only have one lot, so I wasn't too concerned about this. So we'll just leave the UAVS until the 19th of March. Then I'll take a look again. And then the second one that I do was on PLTON, PTON. Basically, I'm long the stock at 135 and the current market is 119. So I sell a call that expire on the 19th of March for $4.20. So my PLTON trade right now is basically I sell a put at 135 on the 16th of February for 138, and then I'm assigned the stock at 135. So today I sell a call that expire 3 weeks from now for 420. So now my average price is 129. But PLTON right now is at 119, so I'm losing about $1,000. So if PLTON managed to go up, then I would probably break even on that if PLTON is above 130 by 19 March. If not, then I will see what to do. Basically, I'm still bullish on PLTON. And then the next trade that I did was Surf. I closed out a 10 put on Surf for $2. Basically, I take a loss. So let's take a look at the Surf trade. Previously, I managed to sell one Surf trade and I make a profit of about $1.70. So on the 22nd of February, I sell the 10 put for $1.70. But today I close it out at $2 because Surf is also a speculative trade. So I don't want to have too many speculative trade at the moment given the current market condition. So I close out my Surf. And the other trade that I closed out was Open. I closed out the Open trade, the 27 put for $1.70, and let's take a look at the Open trade. So this is my Open trade. Basically, I sell a 22.5 put on 29th of January, and I make $1.10. And then I sell another put on the 22nd of February for $2.12. And I close it out today for $1.70. So actually I make a profit on the Open trade, about $40 for this set. But I wanted to close out because Open is still a speculative stock. I'm still bullish, but I just want to close out. And when the market settle down, I may come back to trade open again. But at this moment, I've closed it out. So that is basically the trade for today. And basically, I still wanted to close out WOOF. I will see when is a good time to close out WOOF and Nano Dimension NNDM, because all this is considered a speculative trade. So if there's a chance for me to close out, I'll close out. Just a quick update. FUBO, I'm basically bullish on FUBO. So I won't close out FUBO, even though I have a small profit now, but I will just let the trade run. If FUBO were to drop below 35, I will take over the stock and then I will do some covered call on it because I'm bullish on FUBO. And the other one was Nio. Nio, I have a double wheel on the Nio. So basically the 45 put that is expiring this Friday and the 58 call that is expiring this Friday. But Nio have earnings going on tomorrow. I don't know how the earnings is going to play out. It could be good or bad for the stock. I wanted to roll the 45 put lower, but there wasn't a lot of premium for the next week put. I can only roll down to 43 for a break even. So that won't do much help to my current position. So I will just let the trade run. If Nio were to drop below 45, then I will just take assignment on Nio and I'll be long 200 share if that happen, and we'll see what to do. So basically that is the trade update for today. I won't be opening any new position because given the current situation on the market. And let's take a look at the Nasdaq. So basically this is the Nasdaq chart. So the last Friday we have an uptick and today is another uptick. But basically today the uptick is because of the 1.9 trillion package deal that is going on. So will this uptrend continue? I really don't know, or nobody will really know. So I take this opportunity that when the market is up, so I close off some of the position. And I will just wait and see on how the market react, and then we will just play by the ears. So that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. I will see you in the next video, but I won't be doing much trade this 2 weeks, but I will just update when I do some trade. And I may do some other topic on option wheel strategy. Let's see for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Thank you.